Hello everyone, welcome to my 27th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial, we discussed on hands-on projects of Lumion of model of SketchUp. Then here is applying a material. Then in this video, we applying landscape design, weather effect and content library here. So first of all, we adding here some nature plants here. So I choose this conifers, select this plant, then place it here. You can also change a plant type, grass, plants, flowers, cactus, leaf, etc. You can also adding a rock here. I just simply have click on this plant, this palm trees here. Then I scaling it to select this plant, scale option or press L for scale, changing its size. Then press select. Then next is changing its scale. Press OK. I simply to move here, select, then move horizontal, click on this move, select this one, then move horizontal, I can adding some additional leaf here. Then adding these flowers. Somewhere here. Or you can also not to add. Change its scaling. Then press OK to your requirement. I can move this plant here. Then press OK. Again adding some effect here. Leaves of plants. Then select. Then you have some add plants. You can add lights here. First of all, spotlight. We are adding the spotlights. Then I add area light of line light. Then I choose this blue omni light. Then select. You can change this color brightness, night activation on off, etc. Then select. Then you have to add the sound option here. I just add sound. Here I choose a nature sound. Or simply you delete this sound here to delete button. Then you can add utilities as your requirement. I just no need to add here utilities. Then outdoor option, you can add multiple buildings apartment here. Then houses, adding waste utilities here. I just no need to add here. Then in outdoor, multiple outdoor options, kitchens, food and drink, lighting, etc. I just add floor lamp here. Then press OK. You can add transport. Here is actually a transport of cars, then ships, construction, air, etc. I just add one vehicle here. Then select. Then adding landscape, change its color by clicking on it, edit type. You just want to add this glass here. To change this glass, you can choose the landscape here, clicking on it, just click here. To adding it, then adding weather effect as changing its sun direction, then sun brightness, sun height, then changing its real skies option, wind speed, cloudiness, wind direction, so remaining part of this project we will discuss in next video. Thank you.